I didn't take out the camera yesterday, but I did get a little bit of tiling done in the hallway. So I finished up this row of tiles almost all the way to the end. So really the last area that I have to do before I'm done with this section is right here and in the closet. And then I've got about 2 more tiles that I can do right here. I could probably set this one as well. But overall, looking at about probably 10, 15 more tiles before I'm done with this whole section. And we have to do some more demo to continue. So today I got to do a little bit of preventative car maintenance. I need to change the oil in both Terry's car and my car. So I'm going to get to that right now. So I've got my car jacked up, I've got my jack stand in, I got my emergency brake on for safety, and let's get started. All right, I'll let that drain out. And then we'll get the oil filter. So my oil is drained, my drain plug is back in, and now it's time to take out the oil filter. When I put this in, I put it in hand tight, so hopefully this comes out pretty easily. Nope, it doesn't want to come out. Alright, got my new oil filter. I'm going to fill it with fresh oil, lubricate the seal, and then install it in the car. Just going to clean off the oil. Alright, it's nice and clean. As always with oil filters, you're only supposed to tighten them hand tight. So clean off the oil so you get better grip. Alright, that should do it. Drain plug's already back in, so now I can fill it up with oil. This car takes 6 quarts of oil. I will fill it up with 6 quarts. All right, now that I'm done changing the oil in Terry's car, I need to change the oil in my car. I have lowered my Mustang 1.5 inches. So the biggest issue that I run into doing this at home is that my floor jack doesn't fit under the Mustang. So I usually prefer to take it to the auto hobby shop on base and to do it there, but my workaround, which I've used many, many times, is to grab the scissor jack out of the trunk, get that underneath the car to start it, and then finish lifting it with the floor jack, and that works pretty well. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Should be enough for me to get my floor jack underneath there.
Jonah changing the oil in our cars is a bit of a different project than we have shown on our channel before. But it's all part of the same theme. We want to be as self-sufficient as possible. So sometimes that means home improvement projects, sometimes it means learning to grow our own food, and sometimes it's maintaining or fixing our vehicles. The more skills we have, the less reliant we are on others to do things for us.
Now that the Mustang is up and secure, I can change the oil. Hey, Terry, I need you to come here.
Yes. What's up?
So, this is a problem. Once I get to here, I need to angle my cut to meet all the way down here. So.
I'm so sorry.
No,
it looks
it's
so good.
It's alright. Figure out where that's so about at 8 inches in. I need to start angling, and I need to add. Basically cut off 5/8 less.
So, I have a question. Are you actually going underneath that?
Yeah.
So it needs to be closer?
Yeah, because I don't want this to stick out from underneath. And I need the gap here, right, to make sure that I have the correct. I'm supposed to have a 1/4 inch gap. This is set this way. I need to, from this distance, at 8 inches from the edge, I need to angle the cut so that I add 5/8 over here.
So I like how this curved around like that. It'll look really nice when you, sorry, I have to cut another one,
That's
but
fine.
it would look really nice. Would it be easier to have that one cut and set, or no?
No, because I'm measuring off of this line.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So 16 3/4 is where it needs to be. And then at 8 inches in, I gotta add 5/8. It's 10. So Terry, what do you think about, instead of using the gray tile that we bought for the bathrooms, the different tile, just continuing this tile into this bathroom and using that darker gray tile in the bathrooms upstairs? We kind of need to make that decision now because it's going to affect whether or not I cut a piece to fit here or continue into the bathroom.
Can we get a piece of the tile and see how close
You talking about the gray tile?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have that sample piece we can pull out.
Okay.
All right, let me grab it real quick.
This bathroom, we want to take this out and replace the toilet. And we talked about doing some work in the tub area. So a little bit of this is still up in the air. All right, let's see. Oh, that's so pretty. We did pick one on purpose that would go well together. I forgot how pretty it was. It's a different shade a little bit.
Yeah, it's darker.
Yeah. I would say I'm okay. Oh, you're really dark. And sweaty.
Oh, this is not sweat today. This is the spray from the tile saw.
Oh, okay. I think that I am open to having the same tile all the way through.
Okay.
We have enough tile.
If you're open to that idea, we don't have to make the decision now.
Okay.
Because we can always, if you're open to that idea, then I'm gonna stop at this tile. I'm not gonna go any further right now with this tile, because that still leaves us the option to change our minds and go back to this tile once we do the demo in here.
But I mean, we have like months before we even start that, and we would just leave it like this.
Yeah. If you're okay with that. If you decide that you want this to go through here, it's gonna be this anyway. We're gonna leave it just like this until we get to the bathroom. If you decide we're gonna do this, then I can cut these pieces here and finish all the way to this door jamb.
I think that with this small space here, that it might actually look good and might look good going into the bathroom.
Just continuing the existing
Yeah, because
tile
we're
with
going
it.
to be doing that over here in the laundry room.
Yeah.
And so it would keep everything in the downstairs the same.
Yeah. But I do really like this tile, and I want to put this tile upstairs, and the bathroom's upstairs.
Definitely.
Okay.
I think we made a decision.
Yep. So I guess I won't go any further
Yep.
than that. And I just got to finish up in here.
Oh, it's quite dark. We should have added a light.
So
Is that one? Oh, it's not quite a full piece, is it?
No, it's not. I got basically three tiles to cut.
1,
So
2.
yeah, this one's gonna be 21 1/4. This one here will be 21 1/4. This is 5 inches, and then I just have to cut this.
Is that going to be 2 pieces?
It might be 2 pieces.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So four more
Actually-
pieces? It's supposed to be 2 pieces, right?
Well, I don't know, because it's supposed to be like this. So
Yeah.
yeah, it'll end here. Yes,
Yeah,
it'll be 2
2
pieces.
pieces.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that looks really good, and you're doing a great job.
Thanks.
You're welcome. All dry fit. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, yay. That's going to be so pretty. Yay. When are we going to do it?
Maybe tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you for watching today's video. If you would like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.